What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add tags and categories to our WordPress pages, okay? So if you review the WordPress dashboard, if you hover a mouse over plugins or hover a mouse over posts, by the way, you can see all posts, add new posts, categories and tags. So you can filter your post on using categories and tags to better organize, maybe to present the data, to use structured data, okay? But imagine the following scenario. You would like to, for example, sort your pages per category or per tag. So you would like to tag your page. How to do this? Because WordPress do not have this option by default. This is what we're gonna learn into this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to your WordPress dashboard. Normally it's yourdomain.com, WP admin, WP login, and you're gonna see a page almost like this one. This is your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus. This is where you control your site, okay, where you access things. Hover a mouse over a field called plugins next to appearance and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find a field called keyword and next a field called search plugins. Click on it and type page with category and tag. This is the guide that we are looking for. Click on install now. Now click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your WordPress website, okay? And basically there is nothing left to do. All you have to do is hover a mouse over page, and now we're gonna be able to see two new fields, a very useful fields, coloring, categories and called tags. So imagine that you would like to apply a new category. The default category that comes for all the pages is called uncategorized. You can change this, okay, to any name that you want. Remember to change the slug as well. For example, imagine that I would like to sort my pages per responsive category. So let me update the category. We can click into the category and apply a description, maybe apply some image, okay? You can do the SEO of your category in the case that you need. Same thing for tags, but tags we have to create one. For example, responsive tag. You can apply some description in the case that you need. Remember, mine is just an example. Click into the button add new tag and we have a new tag right here. You can do the same for the categories as well. And now you need to apply these categories or these tags to your page. The easier method is go to page, locate your page, for example, or about page, hover or mouse over it and click on quick edit. Right here, we can apply the page to the category and we can search for the tag as well. After this, we're gonna click into the update button. We can do the same process in the page editor. So go to the page, locate it, click into the page, for example contact, wait while the WordPress loads the block editor or your page builder, review the right sidebar of your page, scroll down until you see a field called category and another field called tag. It's gonna be next to your featured image, almost like your blog posts. And here you're gonna be able to type and select your categories, tags, or create new ones in the case that you need, okay? After this, click into the update button to save your changes. Simple, easy, and effective. And now you can sort your pages by categories and tags. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. our growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. And in the case that you want to promote your site, you can do it for free as well on sites.gallery. You can submit your site for free and be listed right here like all of those designers already did it, okay? And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, icons, plugins, themes, and many more features, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock our entire portfolio. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!